Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to place a video inside the text in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's see the output. So open Adobe Premiere Pro, click New Project. Just give the name and the location and just click OK. So my demo video is here, the sample video. I can import the video from, just import the video, go to File, Import and select the file name, click Open. The video will update it in the library. Just drag and drop in the timeline. Yes, just play the video using spacebar. If you want to remove the audio, just right click, unlink and select the audio file, delete. You can delete the audio as well. Yes, now I'm going to add the text. How to add the text? Go to title, new title, default title. Just hit the button and give your name. HowXT, our channel name I'm giving. Just click OK. Yes, this is a title option. Just drag and type your title. Choose the font name. If you want to increase the font size, just scale down and increase the font size. If you want to give the space in between the text, you can give the space using track option. Just give the space. Yes, using move tool you can increase your text box. Yes, yeah. So I have created my text. Just close the text box. Your text will be added in your library. Just click and drag and drop in your timeline. You added in the timeline, just increase the timeline. Now I want to place the video inside the text. In your effect panel, just type key. It has different kind of keys option is available. Just select track mate key. Just select track mate key and drag on the video. Yes, here your track mate video effects control will open here. Just select mate and in this mate just select video 2. Yes, your video will mask inside the text. Just play the video. Now you can see the output. So this is an easy way you can able to place your video inside the text. Once my video is ready, if you want to add the audio, just go to File and Import. Choose some audio file. Drag in your audio timeline. So if you want to reduce the timeline of your audio, just drag and drop. Yes, now you can play and see your output. So this is an easy way you can create video inside the text. Now I'm going to take an output. Just click File, Export Media. Choose your file location and click Export. My output is ready. I can play and see. In next Tuesday I'll see you with the different kind of video. Have a good day.